I'm so excited to get naked and use that outdoor shower.
That is.
There's so many
Actually, no, there aren't.
The camera is on.
Come on. Your viewers love me.
I know.
Tumblr on your YouTube.
Go for it.
Follow my awesome Tumblr, starsandbarnstable.tumblr.com.
Link will be in the description.
Yay! Summernights.tumblr.com.
Oh, is that you?
For a quality summer blog.
Is that you? They're very resilient bubbles.
Resilient Bubbles.
Put another one in my hair.
Horrible band name, by the way.
It's not pee.
Camille's peeing.
No.
It totally looks like you're taking a dump.
No, I said, how do you know your lemonade isn't pee?
Because it's pink.
Oh.
You can do it, Grace.
Do it! Do it! Do it!
Go cleanse myself.
Trust all.
She doesn't trust me right now. I don't know why.
Oh.
What was that? Why am I so afraid to do these things? What is this? Why am I afraid?
What is Earth and space and time? Good one.
There we go.
It looks
Yeah.
just like mine. I can't get it out of my face.
Oh, this is going to be a good
Find
week.
out by the end of the week.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Party.
Really
Is that
unsafe.
it?
Looks like there's Waz all over my flip-flops. Ooh, Camille, that toe looks very pretty.
Thank you. Ah, there's a bug.
I know, but it's like, it's crawling. But yeah, that's like a cool design. How did you do that?
I just did it.
Purple.
Green!
Orange.
What was that?
Megan.
No, I was not. Are we
said
gonna be
that
all the same color? I already just.
I know, I lose a lot too, so you
I
have to like...
never lose because I'm always the one who burps.
I accept that challenge.
These two.
Oh no, adults are here.
Adults with
Well, actually,
food.
technically, we're adults.
You just missed my baby burp.
I heard it. Oh, green.
Orange.
Ah, green. Hilarious.
That's mine. That is mine.
Hello.
Grab
Okay.
it. Look, listen to this line. So the real jaw-dropping news in January morning, the news that had everyone from Toronto to Tokyo crapping in their cornflakes.
Say hi to the camera, Rebecca.
Hi.
Mom, are you gonna wave?
We're in like no big zone.